Ready to master the art of perfect page sizing in Adobe Illustrator and make your design shine. Let's begin with the very basics: creating a new document and setting your initial page size. First, open Adobe Illustrator. When you launch the application, you will be presented with the home screen. Select New File to start your project. This will open the new document window. See all those presets? They're great for quick projects, but we're all about customization today. Notice the Preset Details tab. Here, you will find categories that define page types. We see numerous template options to select from standard printing to mobile or web design layouts. Let's say you want to create a custom business card size, or perhaps a flyer for a local event. Here you will also find the page size specifications on the right side of the window. You'll find a section where you can define the size of the document. You can change the width, height, or orientation. The page dimensions section allows you to specify the exact size. You can switch between units such as inches, pixels, and millimeters by adjusting the drop-down menu. Click Create, and your new document, set to your specifications, will open. You are now in the design workspace. But what if you need to adjust the page size of an existing document? No problem. Head to the Properties panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and select Properties to make it visible. This panel gives you quick access to modify your page and other document settings. Another option for making modifications is the Artboard Panel. It can be helpful to select any artboard to make changes. The Artboard Panel allows you to create multiple artboards, each with its unique dimensions. To access the Artboard Panel, click the Artboard Tool in the toolbar and select Artboard Options. Here you will find many options. Another way to access the document properties is the Document Setup option, located under the File menu. This opens a window where you can access your preset options for your project, such as units and page dimensions. The most intuitive way to change the size of your artboard is to select the Artboard tool in the toolbar. Use the corners to adjust the project sizing to your liking, which allows you to change the page size interactively. Knowing how to set and change page sizes in Illustrator is key to the success of your design projects. Practice these adjustments, and you'll soon be creating perfectly sized artwork every time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful tips.